question 13 here. The sixth term of a geometric projection GP is 486. Find the common ratio if its first term is 2. In this question, you are being told that we're dealing with a GP and be given the sixth term. That means that our T6 is equals to 486. And the question gave us also our first term, that our first term A is equals to 2. That's for the first term. They asked us to find the common ratio. And we know that the formula for the nth term of a geometric projection is ARN minus 1. So if we substitute now, we have T6, that's our sixth term, is our A is 2, that is 2. Our R, we don't know, that is R raised to power n. Our n is what? 6 here. You have 6 minus 1 is equals to 486. Here we can have that we have 2r raised to power 5 is equals to 486. So divide both sides. We divide both sides by, we have 2r raised to power 5 is equals to 486. We divide both sides by 2. We have r raised to power 5. We divide 486 divided by 2. We are going to have 243. Then our r raised to power 5 is equals to 243, same thing as 3 raised to power 5. Then since we have the same power, that means our r is equals to 3. Or alternatively here, from here, we can also solve it like this. Here we just need to do is what? Take fifth root of both sides. Then we have r raised to power 5. Then this will give us r, and the fifth root of 243 is going to give us 3. So our r is what? It's either we use this approach or use this approach. The question wants us to calculate our r, and our r is equals to 3, and that's option D. Surely, Gole,